Hi everyone, it's Bob from Greybeard Models. Welcome back to the channel. And as you'd have seen from the title, I've got another little project on the go. What I'm going to do over the next few weeks, and we'll see how far it goes, is actually deal with a lot of the 172nd, 176th Airfix Matchbox vehicles, AFVs, all that other sort of stuff. And I've got a fair few over there on the shelf. And what I was going to do was just try and every Sunday is reveal a new one and just go through them and build them as they come out of the box, and not do anything too special with them, just literally to show how they come together out of the box. So without further ado, let's get over to the first one.
Right, so I wanted to start this 176 scale or 172nd scale project. So I try and sort of increase the number of 176 and 172nd scale kits that I've got on display. And I picked this one first. This was really attracted me for this artwork. And I just like this color scheme. I think it's mad. Obviously this is the Airfix Vintage Classic. It's their kit number AO1315V. I'm sure I built this way back in the day, so this is probably the original tooling from back then. I got this on I don't know where I got this from actually. Don't know whether I got it off of one of the formal sites. Did I get it off of Jadlam? Don't know. Can't remember. It might have been second hand because it looks like it's been resealed and sealed and resealed, but I don't know. Try and get the bits out. Let's have a quick look in the box, see what we got. And obviously it's a World War I mail tank, Mark 1. One of the first tanks, and the instructions are, as you can see, fairly complicated, fairly straightforward, and I think it will be a bit of an easy one to put together. Comes with the decal set with one decal on it. Okay, and that one decal is the name of this particular vehicle. So it's got on here HMLS. Is it HMLS? Yeah, HMLS. Oh yeah, Her Majesty's Landship, isn't it? Or His Majesty's Landship Dragonfly. So let's get some construction done and we can get onto this crazy paint scheme. Right, so we got the actual body of the tank all assembled, and the little trailer, that's all assembled. And now just going to give it a coat of primer, pick everything else out, and then we'll start on the colour scheme. Quite a simple build really, to be honest. It's a very easy build. Good starter kit actually. So yeah, let's get it into the spray booth and we'll give it a coat of paint. Okay, so we got, get this into focus, my favourite black primer on there, and we'll get that dried. The next thing is to select the colour scheme, and looking at the Airfix box, we'll get that into focus again. They're asking for matte linen, matte grass green and dark earth. So for the linen colour, I'm going to use this Vallejo Portland stone, which I think is fairly close to what they've got there.
So now we've got the linen colour on, or my equivalent of that. As you can see, I've just done it so that still got lots of dark lines in the paint, so that You know, it's more of a hint of the colour, and then once we start putting the camouflage on, it's going to start coming together with weathering and camouflage. So I'm going to get on with that, and I'll come back to you. Right, so we've got the brown on, and to be honest with you, I freestyled it, so pretty much copying what was on the box, and then just trying to sort of get it pretty much accurate. So now the next stage will be to put the green on, and again I'll follow what's on the box. I'll come back to you in a bit. Right, so we've pretty much got a lot of paint done and started to add levels of weathering on there, just to sort of give it some sort of character, I think is the word. So a little bit more weathering, a little bit tidying up, and I think we're probably almost finished. Anyway, pushing on. Well, there we are. That's the British Mark 1 tank, WW1 Mark 1 tank, finished on a little bit of a diorama base. Had an offcut of bit of hardboard there, so I just tidy it up a bit and put some base on it. And that's the first in our series of small scale Sunday 176 1/72 scale builds. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was interesting. Hope you like it, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Leave your comments below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.